Hello everybody, this is the British pound and the weekly chart of the British pound. So it's quite interesting to see, and for two things. The first thing is the British pound is usually a lot more decisive in its move than the euro dollar. A lot less of hesitation in the market. And on the weekly chart, we can see that the market made a high here, went down, created what could be potentially a second high here, and now is doing the third one. The retracement that happened here, the only thing that we need to notice is that it did not pass that level here, and so it has the characteristic of a downtrend. As a matter of fact, we could even do it like that. This being the second high or second lower high. The interesting enough with the weekly chart is the level are quite clear. Obviously, we have the trend dragon support line right here, and if that line would be broken, that would mean that the currency would actually go even lower. The only concern that we would have is this level here of previous low here. That actually was a double bottom, which, as you can see, when it reached that level last time, that was the start of a quite a big move up to basically the previous high, or the top of the market right here. So those levels are going to be important, and we'll need to watch them. So we're going to draw them on the chart. So here we go. Those are the two levels. The difference between those two levels are about 100 pip. So the entry, of course, based on the weekly chart, would be the break of this level here, which is 1.4950. But of course, you would want to be careful, because you would have a strong level of support here. I want 0.4829, so about 100 pip. If you look in the past, that level has been acted as a strong level of support quite frequently in the past. Right here, it has acted like here, right here, right here, of course. So when you reach that, it would be important to consider how the market is going to react. So how would you act with this? If you wanted to enter the market at the break of that level, the 1.4950 level, you want to be very careful of a rebound on that. And so we look at the daily chart. So the daily chart, the levels are about the same as the weekly. And if we draw a trend line from those levels here, I'm trying to make it correctly. We can see that once the market break that second line of support, it could go quite low again, and would give you probably another possibility of another 200 pip on the downside. So the shorts are very easy to see. Break of the first line, be careful of the behavior between for the next 100 pip. If you feel uncomfortable entering the break of the first level of support, just observe and look at the build up to the second line of support, and see how it is building up to break. You could look at that on the daily chart. But probably because it's only 100 pip, that can be done in one day. it would be probably wiser to look at the hourly chart, and you would want to see a pattern of a build up to break that level. By a build up, meaning that the price would do something like that. That's would actually go down. Go. I have to change that. The currency would okay, go down, go back up again, but don't break the top. Come back down, go back up at that second line here. Let's say this is the second line of support. You may want to see it touch it again, go back up, but don't take the previous high and then break it. What you want to be careful about is a strong move down. So those are the two lines here. If the market goes right through down in one move, this is where you want to be cautious in entering, because it would be make losing some, or maybe not having enough energy to keep the move down. The second option for you to look at is basically um, the market would break that line, come down to the second line, go back up to retest the resistance here, and then move back down. That would be probably a good configuration and would give you a bit more confidence to enter at the break of this line. So something to look at. Of course, the British pound is on a downtrend, like the euro, but the US dollar is getting stronger by the day. So if you have any question, just send me a note, email, or a comment on YouTube. Happy trading.